Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Super Bowl 2015 second conference. This is our last day of eliminations. The winner of our second game, Team ABC, scoring a 66-63 win over Shirley Emporium. Ang mga players of the night po natin, Mr. Dave Unlay, scoring 14 points, 8 rebounds, and most especially siya po ang nakatira ng 3 saka ng 2 free throw na nakasil ng game. Si Mr. Jeffoy Pilipinas po, 8 points, 5 assists. The heart and soul of ABC. At ang high impact player of the game po natin, si Erwin Santos. Siya po ang dumipensa kay Mark Gaspar Chan ng Team Shirley Emporium. Mr. Dave Unlay, ano po masasabi natin sa millions of followers natin?
First of all, nagpasalamat ko sa among teammates. Kay Among Dula, Gwapo, tapos wala mi English. Ha? Dito. Wala mi at sa among teamwork, same diya pa ng teamwork. Mato siya. Tapos thank you for the win. Okay.
Mr. Erwin Santos, ito bagong pasok sa Team ABC. Ano masasabi natin?
This is a team effort. This is everybody's game. It was an overall team effort. Everybody played their part, so we were able to come up with a win. Hi to Philip.
Philip, happy anniversary, Philip Abelia. With God's grace, pare, we won. Congratulations, ABC! Long Jeffoy!